Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank y'all so much for coming back. I do appreciate all of you guys being here with me today. If you're new, hello, my name is Shalise. I am 40 years old. I'm a mama, a wife, a worker bee, the face behind MT or Mommy Trader, and I'm just documenting my family's journey to financial freedom. I'm not a financial advisor or fiduciary. I am an investor in the trenches. Also beware of scammers, spammers, and fake pages. I am only active on YouTube and Instagram. So, okay, we're going to be doing some investing today, and I'm investing actually after hours. So today is October 16th. It's about almost 5 o'clock p.m. And I have about 200 and let's just say $2 here. And I'm going to be investing some money into SCHG. So I'm going to come up here and type it in, SCHG, not D, SCHG. This is the Schwab US Large Growth ETF. If you have not been watching our previous videos, I have been talking about this, where we reached our share size goal initially anyway in SCHD. And then they announced a split. So we have like a 1,667 shares. You'll see the screenshot up on your screen. That position is over at Interactive Brokers. We've had it over there for a couple years now, and so we just keep it over there. I am thinking, should I start a position here in Robinhood, only so that you guys can see it from scratch? Like if you can see me build a position from scratch with small amounts of money. I'm thinking of doing like $5 a day in SCHD, and I may actually start that this video. So you're going to see me set that up later in this video. I want to first, buy some SCHG. And this is actually a new position that we are investing in as well. I wanted to get another growth-based ETF. Now, I'll get the question often about, why isn't all of our accounts in growth? And specifically, it's because we plan on retiring early soon. So we have like about 2 years, maybe a little less. And the thing is that when recessions happen, and I do think one, like a big pullback is coming up. I don't know when, because I can't time the market, but all of the signs are there. I'm thinking maybe sometime in 2025, but I'm still going to continue the dollar cost average. It's just markets have been at all-time highs. I mean, you can kind of see the signs, especially economically. So I am still going to dollar cost average. However, growth does not do the best during recessions, right? People pull back, companies pull back, but value companies, some blue chip companies, they all do pretty good. And a lot of those companies that we have in our portfolio do pay out a dividend. And a lot of our positions are dividend aristocrats or dividend kings, like Coca-Cola, Realty Income, things like that. So that is why. But remember, at our retirement-based accounts like the 401k, the HSA, the Roths, those are all growth for the most part. So we are still getting growth. And I just want to point out that let me go back to the beginning of this. Though this Robinhood portfolio is a dividend portfolio, look at this year to date. I want you to look at this. This is 19.77%. So when you build up your portfolio correctly and you have a strategy, even if it's dividend investing, your portfolio still grow. Okay. So this portfolio is still up about 20% year to date. That's why I'm actually showing you guys the account. I'm showing you guys the numbers, not just talking about it, but putting some proof to it that when you set up your strategy the right way, it does work. Okay. So I'm just going to bring up SCHG again. And let me scroll down so you can see what we currently have before I invest anything else. So you can see, now again, this is a newer position. So our average cost is it's about the same almost. Let me see what the price is. $26.46. And our average cost is $26 and a penny. So, when you buy and hold long term, your average cost will get better. Okay. So, and I'll show you guys an example of that. Let me just I want to buy one whole share. So again, I have about $200 here. So let me I'm thinking maybe I could do one share. I'm just thinking as I go. One share, but because it's at a better price now, I currently have 32. So if I can get this to 35, I think that'd be nice. So I'm gonna get 3 shares. Market price, that's how much it is right now when I press the review and buy button, is $26.46. I'm gonna go ahead and review order. And then it's just giving me a summary of what I'm about to do. And it is going to My order was placed and purchased. You just saw it, okay? So I'm going to click done, and it was already updated. So you see, I have 35 shares now, and the average cost is $26.05. You can see our total market value is $9.26. I'm sorry, $9. $926. It's been a long day. It's been a long week, so you gotta give your sister some rope here. It's been a long day. $926.10. I'm not mad about that. And our total return is about 14.47%, but year to date, look at it. It's up 28.65%, which is pretty good. Again, we just started investing in this. And so I really am excited to see where this goes. Okay. But just to give you an example of your average cost looking better, I'm going to pull up Coca-Cola because that's a really great one. It's a really good company that many of you have heard of. Warren Buffett is a big investor in Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola I really like. And you can see right here, this is a great example. Our average cost is $54.93. It's at $70.57. If you come down, we have 50 shares here, but look at the return, 28.47%. So it's just a testament to that it does work. You just buy and hold. Coca-Cola has been doing pretty good. Year to date is up over 20%. And so I just wanted to give you guys an example. But starting with SCHD here from scratch. So you're going to see me build this from scratch in this Robinhood portfolio. So I'm still going to be investing in the interactive brokers because the goal is to get to 2,000 shares over there. But the goal here is just maybe 25. And I just want to show you that it is possible. And I love SCHD. It is a dividend growth ETF. So keep that in mind. It is not like VOO. It is not like FXAIX. This focuses on the 100 top dividend paying companies, okay, that are good companies, right? And so because we are so close to our early retirement, this is one strategy. We do have rental properties. That's a strategy. I do have MT, the brand. That's another like income source. My husband has his side hustle, like business thing. So that's another income source. So it's not just investing. We love real estate. We love business. We love side hustles and all of that. So our wealth tree has many branches on it. Okay. But did you know that you can actually set up automatic payments or automatic transfers to your investment accounts? This is with Fidelity, Vanguard, Robinhood, like the big ones. But what I'm going to do is manually do it because I want to make these updates like $5. I was thinking $5 a day. So that'd be $25 a week, or I'm thinking $10 a week. You know what? I'm going to do $10 a week. I'm going to change it because I want to make sure that I really am thinking about my subscribers who may not have a whole lot of money to invest. And because things are going up, things are expensive. And I do invest a lot of money, and you'll see those updates with SCHD in the other account or SPLG and things like that. But this is going to be for like my subscribers who are working with small amounts. So I'm going to be investing $10 a week into SCHD here in Robinhood. So let me start this position. Now I'm just going to get my dollars on. And I'm just going to put $10 just to get this week going. Order was placed and order was purchased. And I have $10 that I just started this week. The third week, is this the third week of October? I'm getting it started right now. So again, you're seeing me do this from ground zero, from zero. I'm not starting with 100 shares or a whole share, $10 a week. Let's see how much this will get to after 6 months or after a year. And I'll do updates periodically so that you guys can see. But there's no reason why no one should not be investing. If you have a couple of dollars, if you collect all of your change, it does work. Small amounts do add up. Okay, that's my message here. All right, so you see me right now. I put $10 here in SCHD. So that is the video for today. I just wanted to come on really quickly. You saw me buy 3 shares of SCHG. And you saw me put $10, or I'm starting to put $10 a week into SCHD here in Robinhood. I will have updates for the other portfolio where we have like the bulk of our SCHD shares. I want to get that 2,000 shares, but this is from scratch. All right. So to show you guys, there's no reason why no one should be investing. I'm doing it here. I'm filming myself investing. Okay. And the great thing about Robinhood is that I can buy fractional shares, whole shares after hours. Right. So that's pretty cool. So again, guys, thank you so much for being here. To all of my dividend group people, we do meet at the end of this month, so bring your questions. Make sure that you are following along with your strategy. Remember, to our dividend group folks, that our book is The Simple Path to Wealth. So a part of our dividend group, we have like a book club built inside of it. So I'm excited to talk with you guys about the first few chapters of J.L. Collins' great book, which is The Simple Path of Wealth. If you guys want to join our dividend group, you are more than welcome. We love to have you. We meet for 2 hours. We hang out. I do Q&As. Also, my full portfolio, like all of our positions and stuff, are available to my dividend group members. It's an incentive. It's a thank you for, like joining the group, but you do see the positions because I do make small videos on them. And I do portfolio updates once a quarter. So yeah, thank you guys so much for being here. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. We're almost going to 25,000 subscribers. Thank you for 1 million views. Like, that's crazy. 1 million people who stopped by this channel. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. So I'm going to get out of here. And let me know down below, what are you guys buying this week? Are you looking at something? Have you already bought something? Let me know so that we can kind of cheer each other on in the comments section. If you want to know more about the splits with the Schwab, some of the Schwab ETFs, check out my video up on your screen. I did a full extensive review of what the splits were, why I think it was happening, and why I'm excited for the split. So check those out. Again, thank you guys so much. And until next time, I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.